In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of a photo in Canva. Let's go ahead and open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, start by either creating a new design or opening an existing one where you want to edit your photo. You can choose any size you like, but for this example, a simple social media post or custom canvas works perfectly. Next, upload the photo whose background you want to change. To do this, head over to the Upload section. Click on the Upload button and select your image from your device. Once the upload is complete, drag the photo onto your canvas and resize or position it the way you want it to appear in your final design. Now we'll remove the original background so we can replace it with a new color. Select the photo on your canvas so the editing options appear at the top. Look for the Edit Image option and click it. In the Edit panel, find the Background Remover tool. When you click this, Canva will automatically detect your subject and remove the background. Give it a moment to process. Once it's done, you should see your subject isolated with a transparent background. If the cutout isn't perfect, use the available restore or erase brushes to clean up the edges. Zoom in for more precision and carefully brush over any areas that need fixing. Taking a bit of time here will make your final result look much more polished. With the background removed from your photo, it's time to add a new color. Click anywhere on the blank area of the canvas, not on the photo itself. Now, choose a background color from the color picker. You can select one of the default colors, use the color wheel to create a custom shade, or paste in a specific color code if you have one. As soon as you pick a color, it will fill the background behind your subject. Adjust the position of your subject so it looks balanced against the new background. You can also add shadows, text, or other design elements to complement the new color and make your design more engaging. When you're happy with the result, click the Download button. Choose your preferred file type and save it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color of a photo in Canva, ready to share or use in any project.